Lift going down.
Yes, it looks like Nuneaton station doubles up as a church on Tuesdays. Who would have thought it?
Platform level. Doors opening.
Please ensure you remain behind the yellow line so that you are not near the platform edge. Staff may approach you if you are not in a position of safety. Thank you.
No, thank you.
Yeah. Well, good morning. It's John Neal here. It is Tuesday, the 1st of April 2025. Not joking, it is 1st of April 2025. And I'm going on the train again to Narborough because did this trip before, but I'm taking another route, this time through Hinckley.
The best made plans can often go awry, and nobody likes to talk to a camera when there are other people around, and this young lady decided to sit right behind me. So cancel that shot. So with a clear blue sky and the train dead on time, what could go wrong? Well, nothing much. It's just that I spoke to the train attendant at the back, a very pleasant lady. She said, yeah, you can put your bike on. It's right at the front of the train. So I had to hot-foot it down the other end. The National Rail app said that all places for bikes were fully booked, and there weren't at all because there was plenty of space. There was no other bike on there at all. So doors closed and off we go.
I did this route a couple of weeks ago and went via Market Bosworth. This time I'm going slightly south, you'll see on the map, and going to go via the Stoney Cove, which is the diving centre, which is of interest, and then across Burbage Common. Two places I've not really cycled to before, so it should be of interest for that reason, if nothing more. And the sun has finally come out. It was a bit cold this morning, but I think we'll be okay. Total distance, by the way, about 18 miles.
Close run.
I'm all up. My choice. There's a bit taken aback. It says we're approaching Coleshill on the train. I thought we've gone the wrong way. If nothing more, I've got to take note of this rather gorgeously painted road footbridge. Look at that. It's like something out of a circus. Anyway, here we are at Narborough. Right, let's get kitted out and get going.
The route takes me first of all along the B4114, which is a long straight road, but there's a bit of a cycleway up the side. Looking on the map, it's actually a Foss way. Then after about 3 miles, a turn right onto a bit of a quieter road, but still fairly busy.
Well, that was about 4.5 miles of, well, part of it dual carriageway, so that wasn't. Well, you covered the distance, but it wasn't very pleasant. I have to say, by the way, the battery is still on 100%. Well, I've gone 4.7 miles. That rate, there's an infinite distance I can go Still quite a quick road this, as you can see. So it's not dangerous, but I'm going to put my little flashing back light on. There. To let them know what I'm doing. Right, I'm going to put the camera away too, so I've got both hands on the bars and looking out for potholes. Let's see where we get to next. Hey, not a cloud in the sky now, which is what it should be. Lovely. That was a bit confusing. The good old commute wanted me to go down what was a private road, so I had to go into Stoney Stanton and out again. I do recognise it, I've been there before. Anyway, I understand that the famous diving centre is just behind me, so let's put the drone up and have a look. I'm going to see that girl of mine. Leicester's the only place for me. They got Stoney Cove for diving and 69 for driving. Battlefields where kingdoms were acquired. A space center and museum. Cute villages, you should see them. And country lanes just waiting to be admired. I'm gonna cross that county line where the countryside is fine. I'm gonna mosey on down Hinkley Town someday. I'm gonna cross that county line. I'm gonna see that girl of mine. Leicester's the only place for me.
Right, that's enough of that. Now then, we've reached the road that takes us to Burbage Common.
At last, Burbage Common, which I've been to before but never cycled to, and those other roads there were quite busy. I mean, it was safe enough but a bit noisy. Got me to where I am. Done 10 miles already. I haven't had a quiet road yet, but here we are. Burbage Common and Woods. None of this, none of that. No cycles on the common. Oh dear. I'm there. To see how much I can get away with. That was Burbage Common Woods, and very pleasant it is too. Quite a large area as well. If anybody objects to me cycling through it, I apologise profusely now. But there was nobody else to bother me, and I didn't bother anybody else, so it would have been a long walk. Sorry. I'm on a nice quiet road, the road from Stapleton to Dadlington. It's a nice place, isn't it? Well, it's been an interesting trip. I must admit, commute was a bit of a confusion. Oh, tried to take me down a private road and then wouldn't re-centre, and I got slightly lost on Burbage Common, and then the drone went a little bit crazy. I'll see what the footage is like, but at least I didn't hit a tree. Not that there were many where I was. But I'm I'm finishing off now. I know this road. I had a friend used to live along here, and this will take me to Dadlington, and now it's just a straight ride home, which has been very nice. I mean, at last the sun came out. It was quite overcast first thing this morning, and only 2 degrees overnight, but it's about 10 degrees now, which is good. And I think I'll sign off here, because I've just got to get back home now in time for lunch. My curfew is about to arrive. So thanks for watching, and you will see me in the next one. Okay, see you then. Bye bye.